All our friends, you and me, we were dancing in the streets. We were wild, we were free, we were making memories. I'm gonna shout, I'm gonna sing, yeah. Give you something to believe in. 1, 2, 3, let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Let me show you, show you. You know that I got that soul, yeah. Show you, show you. You know that I got that soul, yeah. Let me show you. I can go high as I wanna, watching me fly 'cause I'm gonna show you, show you. Show you that I got that soul, that I got that soul. Yeah, I got that soul. I got that soul. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay at tayong dalawa'y maghahasik ng kaligayahan. Bitawan mong unang salita, ako ay handa nang tumapak sa lupa.
Di ba palingan yung makeup color?
As we enter this married life, as mentioned, you can share everything to me. Even your silly and corny jokes. You can also entrust your deepest and darkest thoughts, your burden, your insecurities, and disappointments.
Kay Bernice!
Tayo'y muling magkasama. Ang dati ay baliwala.
Ano kaya to? Dami ah. Wait. Thank you! Tinupad niya! Tinupad niya!
Your reception of the sacrament of marriage is your reception of something from above, something from God. At dahil nagmula sa Diyos, ito ay biyaya. Kaya Fatima, laging tatandaan na napakagandang biyaya ka na dumating sa buhay ni Tina. And likewise, PJ, napakagandang biyaya ka na dumating sa buhay ni Fatima.
Parang isang panaginip ang muling mapagbigyan.
Our love story is far from perfect. There were bumps here and there. There were successes and there were failures. It was a roller coaster ride. But what do they always say about roller coasters? It's scary but it's fun. So just enjoy the ride.
Oh, sobrang formal mo na. Grabe! Parang kailangan ko na talaga mag-vlog. Thank you, and mga first, capture yung first moment natin as a husband and wife. So, thank you.
You are an answered prayer. I love you when things go rough. I love you when things go right. I will always choose love. I will always choose you, my love. I love you, Fatima.
Remember that I am your other half. I'm very happy because God really gave the best gift, and that will be you. So I will continue to love and serve you even beyond those 10 years that we rode together. And I am excited to carry your last name and to carry your child in the future with Howie.
Ang dati ay baliwala.